Well, to the folks here in the U.S. watching, happy Independence Day. This is Mark here at Cedar Falls Farm. I've got a little bit of stuff to do today. I spent some time yesterday cutting down tree limbs along our driveway. It's been dragging along the roof of our RV in places. I need to get that taken care of, and I know a lot of our delivery drivers will appreciate me getting this to where it's not dragging the tops of their trucks. So I'm gonna get out here with the forks on front of the tractor, the old Kubota here, and see if I can't get some of this moved. I'm going to put my camera on time lapse and just let you folks watch it, and I will set some music to the background, and then we'll do a proper closing as I finish up. So we'll pick back up here in a moment on time lapse and we'll start rolling. Well, that was quick. Didn't take too long to get all that moved. I'm tossing it over in the old chicken pasture. What I plan to do is pile up a bunch of stuff. I'll burn it over in there and then work the ashes in and either get some grass growing or might plant some cover crops out there to help with the soil. I also need to move the old chicken houses and spread out the manure that was left in those. That'll be good for the soil. I'd really like to plant more blueberries in there and maybe a couple of grape trellises, get some more muscadines growing. So that's going to be a wrap here from Cedar Falls Farm. I hope everyone's having a great day. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys.